Kitty, what do you got? Jesus Christ, got blood all over me. Did it get away?
I don't know. Where is it, Kitty? Spot it somewhere? See it somewhere? What happened? Kitty got a bird. He slid on the car to get on the bird. He slid on the car. Where is it? Kitty! Where is it? I see it.
Where? Oh shit, yeah, there it is.
Where is it?
Let's see if he finds it.
Where is it? I don't see it.
It's right there hiding behind, right next to that bottle. You lost it, huh?
Oh. Yeah, you lost it, Kitty.
Kitty, where is it?
Where's it, Kitty? Are we gonna grab the bird?
Grab the bird, see if you can get it.
Me?
Yeah.
Grab and do what? What do I do with the bird? What do I do with the bird? Dad!
Well, I don't know. Hold on. We'll see how messed up he is.
He's messed up.
Kitty, where's your kill? Hey, guys, get away. You're tipping it off.
Kitty will have some trouble getting to him right now, even. Oh, never mind. Where is it?
Oh no, I don't know.
He keeps on just
He thinks it went up high.
He's smart.
He's gonna find it.
Yep.
He's using his nose now.
Where's the kitty? Where's the most kitty?
Oh, there he's got it. Maybe. Shh, hold on.
We got a stupid kitty. He looks straight at it. Can I grab the bird, Daddy? Can I grab it?
Oh, he's leaving.
Can I
That
grab
bird.
it?